Setter 2500. Hi, I'm Dave Trumbull, your host. Making the adjustments as needed and replacing parts as needed. Reassembly, external cleaning, final sewing test and adjustments, and final presentation. When you're all done, your goal is to have a sparkling new looking and functioning sewing machine. Thread it up and do a simple, quick sewing test to check out the sewing functions of the machine. Do a straight stitch. Next, we want to remove the covers. Look for the obvious screws and so forth to disassemble. Take out the bobbin and the bobbin needle plate and proceed to just remove the screws as you see them. Don't make this into a complicated matter. There are some issues when it comes to separating the cases on this machine, but in many machines it's just a matter of removing a few screws. Here we're removing the bottom of the case. In this particular machine there are clips from the upper case, the front and the back and side, that fit into the bottom. So we remove the bottom case, and as we get the bottom case off, we'll find that the snap sections are already released. Some screws come out easier than others. To remove them. Spray the machine out or blow the machine out with your compressor to get rid of all of that loose debris. Here are 18 common adjustments. Pattern selection unit, the belt tensions, the needle bar and feed, the feed mechanism, the needle position, the hook, needle clearance and timing, the needle bar height, the inner hook bracket alignment.